Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. In this video, we are going to solve chapter 15 Logical Reasoning for class 6. This content is from IMO Olympiad Workbook 2122 MTG publication by Mahavir Singh. Please watch video and do like, share and subscribe my channel. Let's start with question number 1. Which of the following will be the middle digit of the lowest number formed after the digits in each number is arranged in descending order? So here we first arrange the digits in each number in descending order. We will take first number. So here all digits are arranged in descending order. So it will remain same. Now we take second number. In this number 9 will come first, then 7, then 3. Then in this number 9 will come first, then 8, then 4. We'll take fourth number. In this 6 will come first, then 5 and then 4. And in last number 9 will come first, then 7 and then 5. Amongst all these number 642 is a lowest number and 4 is a middle digit. So here C is correct answer. Question number 2. Which of following set of letters will complete the given letter series? So we first take first letter in all. W, then T and then Q. So what will come next? N. Now we take F, G and H. Here F, G, H. So here I will come. And last is B, D and G. So B, then one letter gap D, then two letter gap G, then we will take 3 letter gap. So K will come here. So here B is correct answer. Question number 3. In a joint family there are father, mother, 4 married sons and 3 unmarried daughters. Out of the sons, 2 have 2 daughters each and 2 have a son and a daughter each. How many female members are there in the family? So in a joint family, father and mother is there and they have 4 married sons. Means their wives are also there. And 3 unmarried daughters. And out of sons, 2 have 2 daughters each. So they have 2 daughters. They both have 2 daughters. And 2 have son and daughter each. So they have 1 son and 1 daughter. Here 1 son and 1 daughter. So now we count this 1 female, then 2, 3, 4, 5, this 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13 and 14. So there are 14 female members in the family. C is correct answer. Question number 4. In a certain code language, problem is written as like this. How is flowers be written in that code language? So here to write problem, they took the previous letter of the given letter. So P, O is previous letter, for R, Q is previous letter, for O, N is previous letter, for B, A is previous letter, K is previous letter, D is previous letter for E and L is previous letter for M. So for flower, here E, F, K, L, N, O, V, W, D, E, Q, R and RS. So D is correct answer. Question number 5. Arrange the given words in the sequence in which they occur in the dictionary and choose the correct sequence. So in the given word, first three letters are same. We will check the fourth letter. T, B here in option 3, V is there, option 4, P is there, and option 5, J is there. So first this, then second this, then third P, then fourth T, and last V. So this will be the correct arrangement. So here C is correct answer. Question number 6. If English alphabets are written in reverse order, then what will be the 7th letter on the right of the 12th letter from the left hand? So here we first write the ABCD in reverse order. On this side is left and this side is right. Now we first find out the 12th letter from the left hand. So 12th letter from the left hand is O. And 7th letter on the right of O. 7th letter on the right of O is H. So here C is correct answer. Question number 7. Find the missing number if same rule is followed either row wise or column wise. So here addition of these two minus 3 give this number. So 14 plus 19 is 33. 33 minus 3 is 30. Here 21 plus 31 is 52. 52 minus 3, 49. So here 32 plus 35 is 67, and 67 minus 3 will be 64. So question mark will be 64. So here B is correct answer. Question number 8. If husband is called wife, wife is called grandfather, grandfather is called grandmother, grandmother is called maternal grandmother, maternal grandmother is called maternal grandfather, maternal grandfather is called maternal uncle, and maternal uncle is called maternal aunt, then what will the father of the mother be called? Father of the mother is maternal grandfather. But here maternal grandfather is called as maternal uncle. So here B is correct answer. Question number 9. In a class of 35 students, Kunal is placed 7 from the bottom, whereas Sonali placed 9 from the top. Pulkit is placed exactly in between the two. What is Kunal's position from Pulkit? There are total 35 students. Kunal is placed 7 from the bottom. 7 from the bottom means he is placed on 29 number. And Sonali is placed 9 from the top. So 9th here Sonali. So in between them there are total 19 students. Pulkit is placed exactly in between the two. Means this is Pulkit, 9 student this side, 9 student this side. What is the Kunal position from Pulkit? Here Pulkit, here 9 student, and Kunal is 10th one. So here B is correct answer. Question number 10. A, B, C, D, E, F and G are sitting in a row facing north. Option A. F is to the immediate left of G. Option 2. E is a fourth to the right of G. Option 3. C is the neighbor of B and D. Option 4. Person who is third to the left of D is at the one end. So who are the neighbor of B? So they are facing to the north, means this is left side and this is right side. Person who is third to the left of D at the one end, means left of D, means D will come here and left side that person will come. E is 4 to the right of G. 4 to the right of G, E will come here and G will come here. F is to the immediate left of G, so F will come here. And C is the neighbor of B and D. C will come here and B will come here. And remaining A will come at this end. Question is, who are the neighbors of B? So here C and E are the neighbor of B. So D is correct answer. Question number 11. Some letters are given which are numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Find the combination of numbers from the options so that the letters are arranged according to form a meaningful word. After arranging these letters, the meaningful word will be expert. Then the arrangement will be 3, X2, P5, E6, R1 and T4. So here C is correct answer. Question number 12. Pointing to a lady, Avnika said, "She is the mother-in-law of the husband of my mother." How is that lady related to Avnika? Husband of Avnika's mother means Avnika's father, and Avnika's father's mother-in-law means Avnika's maternal grandmother. So here C is correct answer. Question number 13. Which of the following elements satisfies the Venn diagram given below? Option A, judge, thief, criminal. Option B, father, mother, parents. Option C, teachers, college student. And option D, polygons, rectangle, square. So this Venn diagram is suitable for judge, thief and criminal. So here A is correct answer. Question number 14. If P denotes subtraction, Q denotes multiplication, R denotes division and S denotes addition, then find the value of 125Q, 32R, 8P, 100S, 160. So here 125Q instead of Q multiplication, then 32R is division, then 8P subtraction, then 100, S is addition, then 160. So we first solve this. 125 into 32 divided by 8 is 4, minus 100 plus 160. So here 125 into 4 is 500, minus 100 plus 160 is equal to 560. So here D is correct answer. Question number 15. Rohit walked 25 meters towards south. Then he turned to his left and walked 20 meters. He then turned to his left and walked 25 meters. He again turned to his right and walked 15 meters. At what distance is he from the starting point and in which direction? He started from this point and he walked 25 meters towards south. Then he turned to his left, means this side, and walked for 20 meters. And then he turned to his left, so here, and again walked 25 meters. And then he turned his right, means this direction, and he walked 15 meters. At what distance he is from starting point? So this is his starting point and this end point. So this 20 meters and this 15 meters means 35 meters and in the east direction. So here A is correct answer. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video.
Do practice well and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.